Hi guys. Hello, hello. Hi guys. Hello. Welcome to my live stream, everyone. Welcome. So, how is going on there? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing really great because today market volatility indexes moves and Wall Street has jittery week with a mixed result as traders just recent rallies and outgoing economic uncertainty. Hi guys. So the major indices like the S&P 500 briefly posted a first 2 weeks loss since June and market makes back-to-back weekly losses recently. So banking financial sector watch. Bank and finance stocks included JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and others are extremely totally doing something really another. So the closely analyze as investor monitor earnings and sector trends. So geopolitical policy, guys. Hi, hello. Hi, how are you? I haven't seen your message yet, by the way. Yeah. How is doing? I hope you're not freezing today. The weather is really crazy. And by the way, actually, I want to tell you about the weather and how it's influenced to the stock market. Because weather also is super connected to markets. You will ask me how? Yeah, I'm good. I just don't want weekend end, I like weekends. I love doing nothing sometimes, Not always, but sometimes it's good, just relax. In Italy they say fa niente. Just beautiful to do nothing sometimes, Just relax. But I can't relax, of course. I'm always working. So I haven't seen your message yet, by the way. So yeah, I want to tell you that about weather. Tell me, how is weather in your place? Is it cold or how is it? Because you know what? Have you seen the price for gas today? If you notice, the price of gas is just dropping down. Oh wait, I changed time frame. I mean, not drop. Sorry, the price for gas is rise, and why it's happening? Why? I'll tell you why. It's easy. It's logic. It's just logic. The most straight logic ever, because now it's getting cold, right? The source is getting more expensive and the gas getting more expensive, the same. And here the price, it's just rising up, and it's about for a few days since 19 January to today, it's about $1,000. Yeah, a little bit more. Let me check. Let me check how much. I mean, everything is connected. So if you know how it works, you will be on top. 4% for barrel. It's a lot, right? It's only for a few days. Why it's happening? Just because today is cold. People need those gas to warm up. That's it. And if you understand this logic, so you can predict, actually, I was reading about some science, and they say even in sunny weather, the people are more productive and to sell. Yeah, and no, sorry, to buy. And when it's cloudy weather, the more selling. It's funny, but of course it's not the main thing what influence on the market. But even such slowly things you can notice. Okay. Let me. You can find it here. You see, I already posted, and so you can go there. Intercontinental Trading Lab. Just write me in Telegram. You can add in a group. I promise I'm gonna clean up the group, and I will do it more productive because I post their news, some news about trading, and also you can write me personally, and I can give you a personal guidance. I will not promise you a lot of time, but sometime maybe, yeah, we can do that. Why not? We can do that, and it's nice. It's nice, so we can help each other. Because maybe you can teach me something else. Okay, so you just press on it. Yeah, I have someone who responsible about actually my page. I'm not really working alone. Yeah, I have someone who responsible, one guy who doing that thing for me. So let's continue our conversation today. Not so much people watching me, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. I don't mind. It's enough for me. Even you guys, it's okay, because I just started to do that, so I'm not expecting millions of people to be here. So remind me, did you start to trade, or you just a very beginner? Today's topic is weather. So today's topic, I'm just saying that why weather conditions influence on market, because it can really increase or increase volatility super much. Because for example, if there's a cold weather, it affects really dramatically. Cold weather and high demand of heating, of course, natural gas and utility stocks often rise. It's normal. So it's, if you know this rule, you will understand that you buy gas in summer, you sell gas in winter. That is easy, because you can predict. It's easy predict that in winter it's gonna be more expensive because people will use it more, right? That's true. But of course, in summer places we can use air conditioners. They also actually can increase some stocks. I agree with that too. For example, if there is hot weather, of course the air conditioners, they always higher electricity demand, and power produced and utilized may benefit. So as I told you, the air conditioner, they really eats a lot of energy. For example, if it happens storm or hurricane, it's possible production of gonna rise oil and gas prices, of course, because it's natural. If you want to, if you hit with such a situation like storms, and of course they will need more oil and gas. So if you just be a little bit more attentive to the world, I mean, not only political news, but also like weather conditions is also important. You know, everything what's around you important. Everything influence actually on the market directly, and you just have to watch. You know what's going on in the world. Be attentive, and that's it. And this is strange, but it works. You know. This is where weather matters. You know, the weather matters for most US stock markets. Of course, like gas. Of course, it will not change the gold price if it gets cold or hot or whatever. Doesn't matter for gold. Gold is gold. But for such such indices as an oil or gas or I don't know, some heater company or some electronical devices. Sorry, is it okay like this for you? Are you okay? We have personal lesson today with you. Hi guys. I have also another another telephone, but there are not much people in there. Is it okay like this? Do you see well? I hope so. Yeah. Okay. So let's continue. So I mean, of course, the weather will not change the price of gold, right? The gold is gold. It always will be gold. But if we're talking about the price of gas or price of oil, it will definitely be changed. So you have to know this order. You have to be prepared. It's easy to predict. I mean, you definitely know that in summer it's gonna be a lot of higher electricity demand. And summer and winter it's gonna be a lot of higher consuming of natural gas. So something like that. Cannot see the candlesticks. Do you see? I cannot just bend it. I don't know why. It doesn't work. Why? With me, I will just do it a little bit lower. You want me to do it higher or lower? I can do higher. I can do higher like this, or I can do just low it. How is better for you? Just tell me. Do you see well this way? Is it okay for you? Just wait, I'll change it. Is it okay like that? I think so, yeah? All right, so yeah, candlesticks. I'm just not showing nothing very important about candlesticks. I was just showing that for today price, the gas price high. I mean, and why? From today is this, what the day today? 25. So we see, yeah, from for the few days the price is changing. Why it's changing? It's just because we are using more gas for heaters. That's what I'm saying. And what else I want to tell you? Especially extreme weather conditions always changing the market, guys, changing the game. For example, it could always be problems with transportation and airline. If we have a hurricane or we have so much snow or rain or whatever happening, it's always changing the game with transportation airline stocks because they always have high cost, and stocks may always dip, for airlines in such extreme things because they consume so much money to produce to face this problem, and because they need to search for other airports, or they need to to spend more money on everything. Do you see it well? So let's go to the news, yeah? Let's go to news. I hope you understand all this, what matters, what I say to you with the weather. And you have to think deeper. You have to think deeper, of course, not only heaters, not only airlines, all transportations going on a deep when something is happening. So you can predict, if you see the hurricane coming, happen. So you can see the price of airline will just be super low. That is normal, and hurricane will not last forever. It will somehow stop one day, right? And so in such a time, you can easily get stocks, buy stocks, you know, because they will be super low price. Also, what I want to tell you, I mean, if it's important for you, also insurance companies, you know, if something happened with like when a lot of people suffer, like storms or also like bad weather conditions, also insurance companies go low as well. So also you have a note for yourself. What else? Yeah, as I told you, like studies always shows even when a cloudy weather, extreme weather can slightly affect and trading mood. Because when we have sunny weather, people always more buy, and in the cloudy, the rainy weather, they mostly sell. So these little things may help you maybe in the future for analyzing the market, because not only financial news influence, not only what's happening in the Middle East, not only what's happening in Ukraine, but also what's happening inside the country. Those things maybe you never notice, but weather, always, holiday, all these things are influenced totally. Agricultural, always stock market, always weather impact so much. So these effects are usually sector specific. It's not market wide, and it's exactly for some sectors. Of course, again, I'll tell you so you'll remember. It will not influence on a gold. It will not influence on a silver. Oh, sorry, it's a SanDisk. Silver. Silver, where are you? Here. The silver price and gold price not connected to weather, any connection, doesn't matter. No any connection. But such stocks like agricultural, insurance, some medical maybe stocks, some airline stocks, it's all really depend on what's happening inside the country, the weather, and all the what's happening, any rain, any extra snow, whatever. They all depend on this. So this is what I want to tell you. I hope you understand it and you will remember it for your future. So yeah, even this looks silly for you, but it's true. So remember, the energy, utilize, insurance, and transfer. Always, always, always most affected fields. So you can analyze. You have here your chart, watch list, and there are all stocks are divided on sectors. They are not all the same. You understand, right? They all divided on sectors. So you can see, you can manage, you can understand which stock. You have to know the stocks pretty well. You have to go through all the stocks and see how they are connected, because they're all connected between each other. And for example, some of stock they use in silver to produce their product is SanDisk, for example. SanDisk. The SanDisk is connected to silver really, really tight. They need silver to produce their computer technologies, and also, of course, the Rocket Lab, Micron as well. They all connected to silver. So you can manage. You can see if, for example, silver go up. It means that you can also see some changes in that stocks as well. So be smart. Look wider. Never look in particular only one stock. Look on all the picture together, in all the bigger picture of all stocks together. Yeah, I hope you understand it. So what else I want to tell you today? Any questions do you have? You can go to my guys. You can go to my Telegram channel. We can be in touch. You can write me personal message, just directly message. Don't be shy to write me. we can be in touch. And also sometimes I post a nice news, not today, not yesterday. Yeah, it was weekend for me, but sometimes I always update with a nice news, a nice financial news. So be there with me, stay there with me. Let's develop channel together. So any questions, guys? I would like to have questions from you. Tell me please, what do you think today? What are your thoughts today? How was your day today? How is your, by the way, how is your weekend? What are you up to? What are you doing? How is there? Are you okay? Are you enjoying your days? What are you up to? Also, actually, today I want to tell you about the types of trading. There are many types of trading, many methods, many techniques, as you know, and I would like to recommend you some maybe you need recommendation because you don't know what to choose from the beginning. From the beginning, I recommend you to choose swing trading method. There are many trading methods which you can choose. There are so many. Normally, we choose few or maybe one. So my recommendation is first take just one method. You can also read about methods in my guidance, which I will send to you in private. Or you just can Google it. There are many methods you can trade. And I think the most easiest for the beginner, it's a swing method. Swing method, no stress. Because it's less stress from, I think, like I was analyzing today and what the best for the beginner, and I think this is a swing method because you don't stress yourself, and you can hold the position for from few days. It's all what you leave overnight, because day trading, it's only you have to close trade before night comes, but everything what you leave overnight we call swing trading method. So it can up from 2 days to a few months. So from 2 days to a few months you can keep the position. And this is really, really interesting because it's easy. It's the most easy way for me. I found it for the beginner because you don't stress. You just buy, for example, let me introduce for you. For example, you have stock. All right, you buy it on a deep, for example, you buy it here. Here. 14 January, I bought the stock and I'm selling it easy. For example, when it go up here. So it will be about maybe a few days. So it can really increase, but at the same time, of course, it can drop down. But what is good in swing trading, that you can always place stop losses, and this is not always don't need your attention, because some methods like scalping, you have to be super attentive. Like you have to really just be on a screen you can't even blink your eyes. You know, it's so hard. So you have to be really, your eyes should be on a screen all the hours what you trade, and your internet must be super fast. There are too many conditions that they need it for a scalping technique. Or day trading as well. Also, you're in a bit of stress because you have to close the trade. You have to, you don't know. And the swing, I think it will really help you, because also you will feel the money more here, I think, because in scalping you'll have little profits and you have a must-do frequency. But here you can have a huge profit and you don't have to stress, and it takes investment from 2 days to a few months. But this required to be patient, because swing method required only patient people. So you don't have to, I don't know, I want to say bad word, but I cannot. You cannot scratch your, as you know, like you don't have to be so worried. You just need to relax and wait until the stock will grow. Don't make fast moves. So it requires patience. How to spell patience? Okay, you understand me, whatever. So you need to wait. You need to wait. So this is important, that in swing method you have to wait. You have to wait until the price will go in that direction what you want, and you have to be attentive with the stop losses, and always place stop losses, by the way, guys. Never play without stop losses. Stop losses are super important for everyone, even if you're not beginner, if you are experienced trader. I had this lesson with a stop loss. It was bad lesson in this summer. Actually, I wasn't trading myself. I did a copy trade. There was one guy and I did a copy trade, because normally I trade myself, but this guy, I was thinking maybe I should try a copy trade, and I trust, and I lost. So never just blindly copy someone, because it's a bad thing. And also always place a stop losses. Stop losses are important. Guys, any questions? I see you watching me, but no anything you say to me. Okay. Any questions? Guys, I'm still inviting you in my group, Telegram group. I will be super happy to have you there, all of you. So let's see what my candlestick are whispering, because I have this guidance. So that's what I want to tell you. I have this guidance which I'll send you for free. Just message me in the Candlestick Whisper, we call it. You can have this app for free. It's not app, it's just like just a file. You can check, it's no virus, nothing. It's absolutely clean, educational video, and also training course. You can get it for free. Guys, any questions? Please. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. I would like, hi guys, hello, hi YouTubers. All right, then let's go to see what's going on with the market. Let's go what is gonna be with the market today. So what about geopolitical policy risk impacting the stocks? Geopolitical issues, especially tariff threats and trade tension related to Greenland in Europe, have rattled markets and contribute to sell-off in equities. So as we are clean up the Greenland question, all indices went back again. And everything became normal like before. because I remind you, there when the Greenland conflict was happening, there most of European stocks were really on a deep, and also some of American stocks as well. And so what I want to tell you, that you always have to be updated. It was a good opportunity to buy on the deep, by the way, many of European stocks. And as I say, like sometimes I feel like Trump is get paid to say something. I think he's saying it with a purpose. He's saying something that after people, because market is reacting madly on every his word, you understand? In every his word. And sometimes even super thing he say, it can change all the picture of the market. So always watch what he's saying and try to predict, but it's difficult to predict. His vision is unpredictable. So hi guys, hello. Happy Sunday. Yes, happy Sunday. If you're interested in my technical analysis, please guys, go to my Intercontinental Trading Lab. There you can see me, and also you can thank you, I appreciate it. Oh, sorry. Also you can really have fun there, because I promise I'm gonna update my channel. I don't see you again. Block Movie, I don't see you. All right. Yeah, if you're interested, just go ahead. Don't be shy, don't be scary. There is nothing. I'm not selling there, nothing. Just easy. Also, you can message me privately. This is me. Oh my God. I can't open myself. Fans, let me just message you if I can here. Yeah, you can see here in dashboards all my training lab. So I hope you're doing well, guys. I hope you're doing well and everything's is fine with you, because the weather outside is very bad and we have to take care about our closest one and about ourselves. So let's go to our indices. Let's check everything, what's going on. The gold going really up, as you see here. As I told you, next week is gonna be 5,000. Let's have a bet. I'm saying 5,000. What you say? Will it be 5,000 or not? What do you think? The price now $4,988. It's only $12 to reach these psychological level of $5,000. I hope, because I have some shares in gold, and this is nice level. But remember, while the gold reached the level of 5,000, it will hit super strong line of support. I think the super line of support, guys, will be here, this level, maybe here, but I think mostly it's here. So it will always keep up, because if you compare to Bitcoin, look at the Bitcoin, how down it goes, because investors consider Bitcoin not safe asset. Remember that the Bitcoin is not safe asset. Because also before, my mistake was I trust too much Bitcoin and always invest all my money in there. This is the biggest huge mistake. Never invest your money what you use for living. Because if you want, for example, I invested like I invested like um, more than few $1,000s. I don't remember exactly how much, but I mean a lot, like a little maybe for big market. But anyway, yes, all right, yes, Satoshi, right. When the price is down, it's nice to buy right now. But I'm saying that it's bad to invest all the money in one stock. That's what I want to say. Because you have to have active and passive money. This is super important. So you have two baskets. Let me just call you. It's so simple. I will explain you really in a simple way. Where is? Okay, I'll just draw it for myself. Okay, so you have two baskets. 1 and 2. So one is active, the other is passive. I don't know, that doesn't change color. Okay, doesn't matter. So one is active, one is passive. And when you start use your active money for buying assets, it can really play with you. Very bad joke, very bad joke. Never do that. Never do that. Hi. Yes, Satoshi, you can also follow my Telegram channel. I will be super happy if you follow me, and we'll keep in touch, because I have those channel created not long ago, and I want to extend. I want to add some more people in there. So as I told you, it could be, yeah. Okay. Thank you. So it's a two basket, and if you invest, if you take from your active basket all the money, could happen this thing. For example, you have active, let's call it passive. And active money. Passive and active money. Let's call it green. So if you are take from active money and invest in passive money, simply you will not have money for a living. That's what happened with me. I invest everything, and I thought, I was expected that the Bitcoin will go up, and it was all the signs was, all the candles was, and actually the candle always predict 99% of what's happening in the market. So all the signs was good, and I was expecting that I will long for it. And what happened? There was Iranian conflict. The Iran start bomb Israel start bomb Iran. All the attention went there. Bitcoin just dropped to 88 something, or I remember how much it was. That it was like 99,000 maybe, or 95. So it was really a lot. It was huge drop. And of course it will not last forever. It was just for few days, a week or two, I don't know. It was not long. It was maybe, yeah, just a few days. Then Bitcoin go back again. But what's happened with me? I had to do some stuff. I have to take money. I have to go there. I have to flew there. I was expecting that Bitcoin will go up, and actually I should take out my money. It was super stupid Okay, what is your job, by the way? Thank you for watching me. Thank you so much. And I hope you join finally. Nice. What are you working? What is your work? I still don't see you in my channel. Add me or write me personal message. I don't see you yet. There you can find me in a group. You can find me in the last comment, and you can message me personally. Let's be in touch. And thank you for watching me. I wish you pleasant night, and I wish you productive day tomorrow. No one can say where it's going. I'm up on it so far. Okay, let me check. So let me finish about Bitcoin. So it was a sad story that I have to take money out. It was not a good time to take money. And if I wait just one day more, it grow up again. But what I'm saying, you never have to invest your active money on a stock. So active money separate what you need for living. Passive money is something what you just passive. So let me check what is SIDU. SIDU. SIDU space, right? I bought into SIDU. Highly volatile, but no one can say where it's going. I'm up on it so far. You are up on it so far. Let me check. Yeah, I think what is electronic technology. Yes, you can leave it up. It's good because electronic technologies now are on top, and everybody say that 2026 is electronical technology progress, the year of progress. So keep long. My advice, if I can give you advice, if I were you, I would keep long for it. It's a very nice picture in here. It's a very nice picture. Just keep it. Yeah. Just, and when did you buy? What was your entry price, by the way? What was the entry price? And what do you expect in for what price you want to sell, or you just randomly you just leave it like that? Do you have limit orders or stop losses? How do you secure yourself? Yeah, there guys, electronic technologies are 390 and now price 430. Yeah, it's not a big difference, but it's growing, so I hope it will be okay. I think so, because as I told you, electronical technology are really really going up. And before to buy, how long do you want to hold? How long do you want to hold? Like, you are want to do swing trading with that, or you want just hold it for like for a year, 2 years? What is your strategy of it? And guys, one reminder. Really? Can't? Why? Okay, let me just, I will ask the guy who is providing for me, because it's his responsibility. Let me just photo for you here, and just let me just, I will ask why they didn't do that. This is not my responsibility. But I will check on it again. I will check on it because they do something not okay. Thank you. It just come for me tomorrow, and we will just here. Can you press it here? You see? Intercontinental Trading Lab. Can you press? There's a number in there as well. You go. If you can have access, let's then see another day, and we'll try to talk about it. Maybe you can message me just privately. All right, so so you want to hold it for years. Okay, this is a strategy. Yeah, it is strategy as well. So yeah, there are people what doing that way. Sometimes it's also working, you know. Can you press the link there just down below your message? Intercontinental Trading Lab. Is it open for you or not? Just tell me, because I need to say to them if they not provide it well for me. Can you? So, Mr. Johnson Mott, do you have other stock market, or you just keep these stocks, these shares? Do you have something else? And what actually, why you choose exactly these stock? What was your choice? Did someone tell you to choose that, or you just your intuition told you that this is nice? Why? Actually, I was always wondering, guys, how do you choose stocks? Because I have my own. I have my own. I have my own strategy how I pick up those stocks, because I'm pick up in stocks almost always. I lean on news, and I lean on financial news, and I'm lean on like, you know, I'm just looking around what's going on normally. That is my strategy. So no, never pick up stock randomly. And what about you guys? What exactly? How do you pick up your stocks? Do you always observe news, or someone telling you, or your friends recommend you, or just want to know? Because actually, the pick up the right stock is the most important for a trader. You have to pick up the right one. You can. Then I have a Vanguard. This is outside of that. The media coverage and news on this company, where it's hitting. Okay. Let me translate. My English sometimes not that good as yours. Okay. Guys, I'm from Estonia, so please forgive me for my mistakes. I'm not the best in English, but yeah. Okay, yeah, it's correct way, by the way. It's nice that you do that. And do you have other stocks? Only these stocks? Only this share? Which stocks are you holding? Might be if you are going long for electronic technologies, might be you have other electronic technologies, because they all connected. All connected. I'm going long for Micron always. Micron, they say it's national asset now, but actually I will add this also to my watch list. Let me add it for the future. Let me check. I'll add your stock. I will just watch it sometimes and see how it grow. Yeah. So I'm always long for Micron. I'll never be tired to say that Micron it's perfect for us. It's perfect, and it will be even more and more and more. Never stopping. And let's check, by the way, SanDisk. What is going on with the SanDisk today? Yes, it's hit the line of I know it's going up again. Let's candles go and come back, return. So almost 500. Then it dropped 4,473. Actually, in 2 days. In 2 days, this is a move. This is a move, guys. Shake out everybody. Shake out weak hands, as they say. Shake it out, guys. If you have any questions, please write me in my Telegram channel, because there is a group. You can find my personal in last message. You can find my personal personal page with my yeah. No, it's not bad. It's nice. So you, how long do you trade? And do you trade alone, or you have friends, so you are a community, or you do trade with your family? How do you start? How did you start? 400,000 is, it's a lot. And what brokerage accounts do you use? What brokers do you use? I'm just wondering. Do you use a few or one as only? Actually, I came from Europe. There we use Robinhood a lot. Guys, it's getting colder and colder, right? What about your weather? How do you feel? Are you happy? Yeah, Robinhood. Okay, yeah, me too. It's nice. And how old are you? Can I ask, may I ask a question? How old are you now? I'm just wondering how old those guys watching me. Yes, I put in my watch list. I will watch that stock, what you tell me. 63. Okay. Nice. And how many years do you trade already? I'm 38, if you want to know. I'm 38 at the moment. But I feel like 20, 29, maybe. I don't know. I don't want to get old. This is just headache, you know. I don't want to get old. This is so sad to aging, especially for girls. It's very sad. You face a lot of problems, you know. You have to spend money not only for funny things or entertainment, but as well on cosmetology and all this shit and vitamins, because everything is connected in the party. Guys, what about the weather? Where are you? Are you okay there? Are you safe there? I hope. I hope you are. And my warm reminder to you, please, 2 months on my own. Nice. Hello. Hi. Hi, from New York City. Hi. I'm sorry for my English. I'm not a native speaker. Sometimes it's hard for me to speak English, because my native language is Estonian, and also I speak Italian. Tu parli italiano? Very big hello, guys. And I'm happy to see you here. Actually, if you're interested, let's just keep closer together, and you can go to my Telegram group. I have some educational things in there. Nice, maybe for you, for the beginner, also for those who are already trading. nice educational books I share. So please, my kind reminder, just click on it, just see what's in there. And I promise I will update. I promise I will update a lot of interesting news and jokes about trading. I will be more active to make more fun to you. So that is, yeah, I don't see you guys following yet. Maybe you cannot reach me. I don't know. The other guys say that he can't reach me on that app. I need to talk with the guys who are set up for me that. And guys, tell me please if your trading is your full-time job or you do part-time job, and what is your main job? What do you work? Especially to you guy, Johnson Mott, because I don't have other who is replying me here in the comment section. So what is your job? And yeah, what is your job? And I'll tell you what my job was before. My job was I used to be yoga teacher, and yeah, and a dancer before, went a long time ago. But don't dancer like street dancer. No, I dance for theater, not sexy dance. No sexy dance, something different. It was theater dance. So guys, I'm about almost to end my live stream. It's 56 minutes, 57, and in 60 minutes I will finish my live stream. If you have any question, just ask me now. I will be happy to answer. And don't hesitate to follow. Just follow me, and let's see how it goes. Maybe we can be useful. I can be useful for you, or yeah, we can keep in touch. Yeah, that's right. It's good that you don't dive in a stock market from the beginning, because you know it's not a good thing if you try to, like, I know the bad stories about two brave guys which invested $100,000 and just leave the job, and they think it's so easy, they can just start trading. It's not easy from the beginning, and a few years can be tough. So as I understood, you do mostly long-term, yeah? Long-term investment. You don't trade like daily trades, right? Yeah, it's convenient to you if you have your job, what you do, then you don't really need the from the beginning to start to do it full time and to do scalping or day trade, because even day trade you have to stay on with the screen all day long, especially with scalping. But in swing trading you can. It's nice to trade sometimes. Guys, 2 minutes left, so just let me know any questions. FitX, local truck. Where do you drive normally? In the area, or you can or you drive all over the country? Let's check, by the way, the silver. How is silver? And platinum, I'm also curious about platinum. The price of platinum. Okay, so it goes up, of course, logically. Silver. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. It was really nice to talk to you and I will do stream again soon. maybe today and after in tomorrow. So you can just follow me and let's keep in touch, guys. Let's keep in touch. Thank you for coming and hope to see you soon. It was your Holly and your trading lab. Bye bye.